Alright, so we're going to plumb up the the Purge Gate Valve. We got a PBS 502 that connects to the gas bottle. So on the Purge Gate Valve, I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, there's a little arrow. Points in the flow of the direction. You're going to plug it into your Purge Dam all the way. Make sure it's seated good. You're going to put your 502 on the other end. And once you put your 502 on, you can hook your gas line up right here like that into the 502. Alright, and once that's done, Scott, if you can point over here to the bottle, we got our gas crank all the way open, and we can set the flow rate because we have the Purge Gate valve in there. We can set it all the way up if we want. And watch this bladder right here, it's already inflating pretty good. And then as soon as that bladder inflates, it'll start purging out the back and everything will be hunky-dory. We'll watch it go for a minute. These are the extra purge lines in this one. It's a special, somebody wanted some extra purges and some extra vents to go out the top. Our bladder's starting to get hard. This only allows 7 psi through. And there you go, you have it. We'll start purging out the back. This one does not have a diffuser on the center line. It's diffusing like that right there. So it has the extra diffusers, and right here's your vents to go out. But that's it, plain and simple.